What's up guys, my name is Monish Satwani and I am the Indian Wayfarer, and today we're going to be talking about the Mavic Air's gimbal getting stuck downwards. So this happened to me a couple of days ago. I removed my Mavic Air from the hard case and turned it on to transfer some data from the Mavic Air's inbuilt memory to my laptop. And what happened was, when I turned it on, as you guys know that the gimbal moves downwards and upwards to calibrate when you power it on. So what happened was it got stuck downwards. And then I tried connecting my controller to the Mavic Air and used the dial to move the gimbal upwards and downwards, but nothing happened. And I even tried to use my hand to move the gimbal up, but that didn't work because it was stuck there and I didn't want to break the gimbal, so I didn't force myself. Now let me show you guys what I did to fix the problem. You guys must be knowing that the gimbal moves downwards and upwards when it is powered on. So the same thing happened, but then what happened was that the gimbal got stuck here. I hope you guys can see what I'm trying to say. Let's just get this in focus. Yeah, so this is where the gimbal got stuck, and what I was trying to do was pull it all the way up, but it was really stuck badly, so it was really hard to pull it up. So I just stopped myself from doing that because I didn't want to break the gimbal. So basically what I did to fix this was I just pushed it down a little bit more, all the way to the back, and then it just made a clicking sound, and then the gimbal was free. Basically that was what happened. I hope this video helped you if you have the same problem with your Mavic Air. If it did, hit the like button and consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload next. I'll see you guys next time.